Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. So let's discuss the market opinion for 1st of June. So we expect the positive move and bulls to be in control, and as long as the 9450 levels are maintained by Nifty, it should go on. But once 9450 is broken, we can expect some correction in the market. New positions can be created in bank, auto, metal and financials. Talking about the stocks which to be watched for the next week because of their positive momentum. First stock is HDFC. It is coming from financial sector. Current market price is 1658 rupees. So we can expect some up move in this stock in the next week. City Union Bank, again from financial sector, current market price is 135.6. We can expect some up move in this particular stock. Hindustan Unilever, a good stock from FMCG, currently trading at 2057. Expect a up move in this stock as well. Indian Hotels Company, coming from hotel industry, currently trading at 75.6 rupees. We can expect some significant good move in this particular stock. Steel Authority, coming from metal sectors, currently trading at 30.15 rupees, and we can expect some up move in this stock as well. Uh, let's look into the detailed market analysis based on which we reached our opinion. Let's understand the market action for 29th of May 20th. So the Nifty closed with a gain of 90 points or 1.88%, which supported by a significant volume of 96 crore, which is a very good volume. Advanced decline ratio of 1.84. All technical support is supporting. Mid cap up by 50 points of 1.26%. Small cap up by 34 or 0.86%. So overall increase in Nifty supported by the volume, advanced decline ratio and all the indexes. So it's good. VIX is the only concern because VIX rose by 1%, which is minuscule. So yes, it can be ignored. Dow closed by a loss of 0.07%. So yes, no significant negative point from international markets as well. Overall, strong movement towards upside is expected. Can go long with stop loss at 9450. FIIs and DIIs, if you look into the derivative positions, they suggest an positive outlook. Point to be noted here is FIIs are net sellers in index futures for the last two consecutive days. If it continues and supported with stock future selling, then cautious view is recommended. I will be keep you updated on this part. Talking about the sectoral indexes, almost all the sectoral indexes closed with a gain except for Nifty IT and Nifty Media, which closed with a minimum loss of 0.3% and 0.41%. The maximum gain was Nifty Pharma, which rose by 3.2%, and Nifty FMCG, which rose by 2.97%, followed by Auto, significant move of 1.74%, and then Financials 1.07%. Talking about the outlook for the next week for all of these sectors, so we expect a positive outlook in all of these sectors except for pharma, because we are expecting some strong resistance in the pharma shares going forward. Talking about the smart money move or the derivatives positions, so FIIs on 29th of May they bought a cash position of 1460 crore. They made a sales of 631 crores in index futures, and as mentioned earlier, this is the second day continuous consecutive sale. On 28th May as well, they were sellers in index futures for worth of 353 crores. Index options, they were net buyers. So maybe it's an index option is majorly for hedging purposes. So it need to be linked with the open positions and the stock futures and the index futures. Talking about stock futures, they are still long in with 1374 crores, and stock futures they are still long for the last 2 days they are long. So it's a good sign. So based on this, we expect that yes, currently buying is going on. DIAs also purchased shares of 967 crore on 29th of May. Talking about the overall position for May, May cash long by 13,914 crore, including the 10,000 crores of HUL, so approximately 4,000 crores. Index futures short by 2,800 crores. Index options long by 11,402 crores. Stock futures short by 2,889 crores, and stock options short by 557 crore. Talking about the client-wise derivative positions, so if you look at the summary, the retail individuals are negative on index futures, but they are positive on stock futures. Index calls, they are negative, index puts, they are positive. So overall we expect them to be positive. DIS, they are positive on index futures, positive on index calls, as well as but negative on stock futures. FIS, if you see, they are positive on index futures, they are positive on stock futures, they are positive on index calls. So based on this data, if we look at it, we expect overall positive position or positive momentum to continue for some period as of now. This is all for today. Thank you. Thanks for your time. Safe investing.